In the following triangle ABC, AB equals to root of 6 centimeters, AC equals to 10 centimeters, and cos BAC equals to 1 over 5. Find the area of triangle ABC. Okay, so from this question, we can already understand that if you don't know what BAC means here with the little thing on top, so cos BAC equals to 1 for 5. So this is actually referring to this angle right here. Okay, and from here, we need to remember our SOHCAHTOA was. So ka here, so cos theta is equal to adjacent over hypotenuse. So now we can understand that 1 is an adjacent value and 5 is a hypotenuse number. And here we need to remember our Pythagoras theorem, a squared plus b squared equals to c squared. And for your understanding, I think I'll just do opposite squared plus adjacent squared equals to hypotenuse squared. Remember, a and b, which in this case is opposite and adjacent, they're kind of interchangeable, but I'm just going to put values, put these names specifically to be better understood. And what we're looking for here is opposite. So our opposite value is of course going to be the roots of the hypotenuse squared minus the adjacent squared. So when we're trying to find our opposite side, it will be the roots of 5 squared minus 1 squared, which would be 24. And we can also just factor this out so we can find the common. What are the factors that can make up 24? 4 and 6, in which 4 can be taken out. Root of 4 is 2, 6. All right, so we found our opposite side. And okay, so the area of a triangle, the formula is half AB sine C. So when we're looking at this, right, for sine, if we remember our SOHCAHTOA, it would be so, which is opposite over hypotenuse. So here, opposite over hypotenuse. So we already have our opposite right here, which is right here, 2 root of 6. And our hypotenuse is this, which is 5. And once we can see that, we can plug this into here and make sure you guys realize how the area of a triangle formula does work. So in this case, A and B would be referring to these sides, while C, well, big letter C, would always be the angle in between it, which is this one right here. And so we can replace sine C with what we have, and also A and B, so root of 6, as well as our B, which is 10, and our sine C, which we look down here, is 2 root of 6, 2 root of 6 over 5. Now we just need to do a little bit of multiplication. We can see, all right, so 10 over 2, once we move this over here, we can just turn that into a 5, and then divided by 5 over here, we can bring it, and that would just be 1. So we're left with just the roots of 6 multiplied with 2 root of 6, which how you do this is we multiply the roots together, so we would have 2 times root of 36. And root of 36, if you don't know, is 6 times 6. So 2, so 6, and this would be 12 centimeter squared. And that would be the area of your triangle.